We'll have 5 cheeseburgers with everything on it, onions and pickles.
Okay.
And then 5 French fries, regular.
Okay. I have a number 1. Look at all these scalpers, bro. Look, that guy has a prismatic box right there. Okay. People.
Anything good?
Uh.
Oh, wait. Do you mind if I tap?
They're not gonna let us.
No, you wanted a mega. So mega like, hey, nah, fuck no, I ain't gonna fool
Obviously, we gotta get it.
That guy in the yellow sells them. He's like, yeah, I have them sealed. And then he looked at it, he's like, oh, this one's fucked up. I was like, oh god, you're selling them.
We'll take it.
You're selling them,
and he asked,
bro.
he was like, should I rip them? And then he goes, no, keep it. That's what we get. Because I don't even care for the 9 packs, right? Obviously, nothing.
Crack it.
Yeah.
Why are you peeking?
I'm not. Ready? Surging Sparks, Butthole Pikachu. Ooh.
Oh, there's my Snorlax. Ah, Tapu Koko. Nah, that's okay. No. Alright, they already cleared it.
Got it. Nice. Nobody there. Let's do this one.
What do you want?
Okay, let's try to get the fairy. Because it's like, I'm gonna feel it. Ah, I was in the same spot. The damn gopher. Okay, 1 minute left. I don't even want the prismatic after yesterday.
We could get one of these.
Yeah, we've never had one. A tin. Or that would be crazy. That's where the bubble muse in. Is it? No. Is it in the 151?
Yeah.
Tap it. Oh my god.
Oh,
151.
wow.
Holy shit, we just... That's crazy.
That's our first one.
That's our first one. We got our first prismatic yesterday and our first 151 today.
Wow.
Holy shit. And see, if those scalpers got it, they would have sold that for like $1 million. But we are gonna rip it. It's crazy. Let's see. Whoa.
Is there different ones or are they all Mew? They're all Mew.
I love Mew.
Okay.
How do we don't even know how to rip
It's
them.
probably the same thing.
Same thing, one to the back?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our first time ever seeing the 151 even pop up on the vending machine. I hope we get a full art.
See, these are Tekken's.
These are
That's legit
cool.
ones.
Okay, ready? That's
Wait,
cool.
did you put some in your car? The sleeves? Not yet?
Oh, not yet.
Okay, just the
I don't have my binder
wow,
either.
Look at that though.
That's
a
nice.
really
That's
nice
cool.
one.
Very cool.
Let's see.
Ooh, oh wow. That's a cool shiny.
I like these arts. They're nice.
Yeah, more. We're still not used to this collection. Nice.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Oh, there's a 151.
Oh, nice.
Just
Booster. Let's go.
do it. Holy shit.
You think there's more? That's crazy. Who freaking? So we got 151. We got 2 ETBs and a little booster. That was the most I've ever seen a box give. Usually it's 1. 151 again, bro. Oh. So from this one we got 151. We've never gotten this ETB. That's crazy. And then Surging Sparks, and we got a little booster. Crazy. Wild.
steel.
Oh, that's cool. That's okay. Adds to my hollow collection for the wall.